In this video, we go over some functions provided by Evolve that will make your POS experience as smooth and as efficient as possible.
X time.
This function serves as a way to quickly multiply the price of an item by a given quantity in one single step instead of having to add the item to the transaction multiple times. For example, we can do this by inputting the amount of an item we wish to have. In this example, we want 3. Select the X at for button and next scan the desired item. The item will be added to the transaction with the correct quantity and the price multiplied. Lot matrix. Lot matrix items are items that are packaged in different quantities and have different prices based on the quantity purchased. An example of a lot item is soda, which may be sold in single, 6, 12, or 24 item quantities. Here's an example of scanning an item that is part of a lot matrix, selecting the desired quantity or item, and adding it to the transaction. Price override. Price override is a function on Evolve that allows us to force the price change for an item during a transaction only once. First, select an item. Then, press on the price override function and enter the amount for the new price we want to have. When you are finished, press apply. Quantity override. Quantity override is a function that allows you to change the quantity of an item once it is already on the tab. To change the quantity, simply press on QTY override to change the quantity of the item. Enter the desired number, and then hit and apply. Finally, we are ready to check out. We can finish the transaction as normal.